Guys, it's Quinn, Elegance on 18 Wheels magazine. Guys, you know, we came down to the Shell Super Rigs event, and it's the first day of the show. There's not a lot of guys down yet, but it's some really cool stuff that did come in, that just rolled in. And as you can see, behind me is no exception. This is a beautiful, beautiful truck. You know I'm crazy about big bunks, so he won my heart when he pulled in. So, but you might know who this is that actually owns this one. And I'm going to introduce him in a little bit. But right now, I just want to let everybody know that, once again, the Elegance on 18 Wheels, we're down here in Hampshire, Illinois for the Shell Super Rigs. And we're just going to walk around and go look at some of the trucks for the next 3 days. And hope you enjoy the show. We'll talk to you guys in a little bit.